Hello, third graders. Here's our lesson for the week for recorder. I'm moving on to the fourth song. It's the Green Belt. It's called It's Raining. And you might know the song. I'm also including in the message an attachment that has the song because some of you might not have this one yet. So I'm going to sing the song first so you know how it goes. It goes like this. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. That's how the song goes. So I'm going to say the letters for the first half. If you notice, there's measure numbers at the top. I'm going to say letters from measures 1 through 5. And I'm going to do it twice. So the first time you can listen, the second time I'd like you to do it with me. Here we go. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E. Okay, now remember, this is our new note E from Eau Claire, so we're using this in this song. There's no new notes, so you just get to practice your E note again. And remember, you don't have to hold down here anymore. You can hold it up here and just keep it there the whole time. All right, try it with me. Here we go. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E. Now let's try to play. Now I'm going to start measure 6 to the end. First, I'm going to do it with the rhythm because we have eighth notes, due days in this, so they go a little faster and that makes it a little bit harder. So here we go. Here's the rhythm. Do, 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 due day, do, 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 due day, do, do, due day, do. That's the rhythm. Now I'm going to sing the letters in that rhythm. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Now I'm going to do that again. Try doing it with me this time. Here we go. From measure 6. Went to bed. Here we go. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. Okay, let's try to play it from measure 6 to the end. Ready? Here we go. Now we're going to try the whole song. This might take some practice before you can play the whole song through. That's fine. So just do your best. I'm going to play through the whole song. Here we go. There you go. Great job. I will see you again next week. And It's raining, it's pouring. Do your best. Practice. Miss you. Bye.